Most women lose strength after 35, long before they notice it. Hey, it's Wendy. I help women 35 plus build strength, confidence, and vitality from the inside out. And today we're diving into something that, in my over 40 years of experience, is powerful. And that's why strength matters, why a fitness mindset matters, and why your fitness becomes something deeper after 35. This is your moment to get clear, to get steady, and get strong. You ready? You know, there was a time many years ago when I felt completely disconnected from my body. My energy was low, my joints hurt, my confidence slipped, my weight was up by over 100 pounds, and I wasn't showing up for myself. You ever felt like that? One day I asked a very simple question. Why does my fitness matter to me right now? You see, I'd been athletic my whole life until I wasn't. A series of auto accidents changed everything. My body was struggling, my stamina was gone. I couldn't even walk around the block without being exhausted for days. I knew I needed to do something, and the only thing that came to mind was to go to the gym. But I was ashamed, truly ashamed. I drove to the gym again and again, but I just couldn't walk through the door, and that was for over 2 years I did that. Then one day I had a conversation with a friend. She looked at me and she said she'd join with me. That one moment of support changed my life. For the next 2 years, we met 6 days a week. We trained, we laughed, we pushed each other. I dropped the weight, I rebuilt my strength. I reached the best shape of my life up to that point. And my friend competed in a bodybuilding competition, and she won. It was fun, it was hard, and it was life-changing. That experience is what led me to be a personal trainer, a wellness trainer, and holistic lifestyle coach. And for the last 25 years, I've helped women rebuild their strength, confidence, and vitality from the inside out. And all because of one question. Why does my fitness matter to me right now? That question pulled me forward. It wasn't about looking a certain way. It certainly wasn't about perfection. It was about freedom. It was about strength. And it was about a future that I could be proud of. You know, in my experience, here's what I've seen. Most women hit 35 plus and life gets busy. Work, family, caregiving, stress, hormone shifting, sleep changes. And without noticing it, strength slips away, muscles fade, energy drops, confidence dips, and habits fall apart. The hardest part? We tell ourselves we'll start when things calm down. But things rarely calm down. And without a mindset reset and a clear why, fitness becomes another thing on the list. It's easy to ignore, it's easy to delay, and it's easy to quit. Here's the thing, strength training isn't about weight loss or looks. It's your foundation for the next 20, 30, 40 or more years of your life. Strong muscles, strong bones, strong metabolism, strong mind. Strength training helps you stay independent, move with ease, carry your groceries, pick up your grandkids, feel confident and capable in your own body. And when you make fitness your own, instead of comparing, instead of following the trends, instead of worrying about what others think, you begin to build a lifestyle that lasts. Your mindset leads the way. Your why keeps you steady. Your strength keeps you free. So here's your simple step. Choose strength today, not later. Start small, start imperfect, start with what you have. If this helped you today, this video, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more daily fitness and longevity tips. And if you want a place to begin, I created a free 28 Primal Start Challenge for women 35 plus. It helps you rebuild strength, boost your energy, and feel proud in your body again. And you can grab that. The link will be in the notes to this video. Share your comments. We'd love to hear from you. Appreciate you being here. Thanks. Enjoy.